Hey everyone, welcome to Sperm, and today we are going to turn off this annoying automatic screen lock or black screen while making calls. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. This annoyance is the feature of Xiaomi phones to prevent mistouch from your ear while in call, so you do not accidentally mute yourself or cut the call. Sometimes sensor responsible to detect your ear is blocked and that can cause this automatic screen lock. To fix this, first try cleaning the part wherever the proximity sensor is located on your device. Generally, it is located on the notch area or upper bezel of the screen. If that doesn't fix it, it can also be a software bug. But you can turn off proximity sensor in calls to fix the black screen. And to turn it off, go to settings, scroll down until you find system apps. In here select call setting, select incoming call setting, and in here disable the proximity sensor option. Now you are ready to go and automatic screen lock is disabled. So that is it for this video guys. Like the video if you found it helpful, share it with your friend and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.